YouTube! 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 YouTube, what up, man? Listen, I'm happy to announce I get to finally show it. I finally get to show it. Hold on, this is what it looked like before. This is what it looked like before, okay? It was pink, and if y'all seen a video, I wanna say it's that top 5 trimmer video that I did. It might be in that where I was kind of hiding this clipper, but yeah, man, shout out to Stylecraft. Me and Stylecraft linked up, did a collab clipper with them. Can't wait, it's gonna come out probably like, pre-orders will probably start at the end of January. Official launch is in February. That's not for sure guaranteed though. You know what I'm saying? Don't be hitting me up saying what's the actual date. I don't know yet, all right? I was just authorized to be able to show y'all the new clipper, man. The Stylecraft X360 Jeezy with the Echo Blade. With the Echo Blade. In this video, I did a drop fade. Texture on top. I use these clippers so you guys will get to hear kind of like, you know, in sections to where, you know what I mean? I might leave sections to where you could hear the sound. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, stay tuned. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. To all my students out there that's in school, keep grinding, keep working. Block out all the hate. Block out all the negativity, because the negativity gonna come. Y'all see, I don't got waves no more. I got these little beady. I'm supposed to get a haircut from George probably on the 10th, because I'm going to Dallas. I see y'all in Dallas too. If y'all going to Dallas, I'm gonna be at the Dallas Expo the 11th. You know what I'm saying? The 11th, it's on Sunday. I see y'all. Hey, if y'all going to Dallas, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm gonna be there, man. I'm out. Peace. 360 Jeezy. 360 Jeezy. 360.
Where you get your beats?
HustleDreamProduction.
All right, YouTube, so the first thing you want to do is comb the hair down, comb everything in place. That way everything is, you know, neat. You don't want to start off on a sloppy canvas. You want to make sure everything is laid down, brushed down, nice and neat. So my first guideline is the bald line. I'm gonna use the Babyliss trimmers, and I'm gonna set it in. I'm gonna still keep his C cups. So you're gonna see me just like leave a little bit of room right there for that. I'm not just gonna, you know, take off the C cups totally. I'm just gonna go around his ear, drop it in the back, and make sure that I make this guideline as neat as possible. Next, I'm gonna use the shavers, the Stylecraft shavers, just to make the bottom half razor bald, all right? That way, it gives a greater transition in the blend, and it looks nice and smooth at the bottom.
For a university, but on the Spanish side, I don't know how that worked out, but
all right, so I just wanted you guys to hear that sound. I'm using my Stylecraft X360 GZ clippers with the lever fully open, and I'm going up about a 1/2 inch, making sure I go over that guideline multiple times to ensure that it's at that length. Also, when you're coming around the corner of a curve, you want to make sure you use your corners only. Next, with my one guard with the lever open, I'm going up, but I'm scooping out. I kind of want to keep some of that bulk. I want to keep literally, you know, majority of that bulk on top as much as I can. So you're gonna see me scoop out. I'm still setting my guideline in about a 1/2 inch, but I'm trying to scoop out so I could create that flare. When I clipper over comb, it'll make it a lot easier. So right now, I'm gonna focus on that bulk at the top. So I'm gonna clipper over comb. I'm gonna stick my comb in the hair, and basically from where the one guard is, I'm going to basically, you know, use that as my guideline to how much I need to blend into the bulk on the top. All right, so now that you got the shape pretty much out the way, this is not gonna be the last time I shape that bulk that's on the top. This is just getting me to a place where I visually can kind of see where I'm going with it, you know what I mean? So before I just continue to just focus on that bulk at the top, you know, consistently, I'm just gonna work on the bottom half, all right? It's always about moving forward. You don't wanna be stuck on something so long that you lose track of time. So right now, I'm just gonna focus on blending out that middle line. I'm gonna close my lever on that one guard and basically just soften up that middle line. So now that we have that middle line softened up, I'm gonna put on my zero guard with the lever fully closed, and I'm gonna use my corners to take out that middle line. Now I'm gonna focus on starting below the line and flicking to the line. Now remember, it's a flick out motion. It's not the same as setting in your guideline. It's a totally different motion, so keep that in mind. It's a small, fast-paced motion. So sometimes that zero guard doesn't take out everything that you want. So what I like to do is I like to come behind it with the lever open. This is basically just detailing your work as you go, all right? So I'm gonna fully take out whatever's left from that zero guard closed with the lever open. Now lastly, with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember to start below the line, flick to the line, and I'm using my corners pretty much the entire time. And I always like to adjust my lever as I go higher in the blend, because you don't want to use that lever closed you know, the entire time when you go up. It's gonna cause you to bring the fade higher, so make sure you keep that in mind. So I'm also gonna give my client a little side part. He showed me a picture, and I'm just basically going off of what the picture shown. So my client wanted a textured top. His hair was pretty much already textured, so I just went and grabbed my thinning shears and just did some cross cutting, because he didn't really want to take much off the top. So lastly, I'm gonna put some texture powder in my client's hair, mess it up a little bit, give it some texture, and that's that. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
got it,
got it,
got it, got it,
yeah,
got it.
You too, this is a cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.